Hello guys, we didn't actually expect much from this hike. We just wanted to go into the wild and enjoy the nature. But surprisingly, we experienced much more than we expected. We got off the truck and suffered in our attempt to get back. We saw wild animals, spontaneously climbed new mountains and discovered a beautiful waterfall. And in this video, we would love to share this small adventure with you and hopefully encourage you to experience it yourself. Enjoy! Hello guys! Today we go to the head of the devil. That's the peak of the mountain we chose to go to. I don't know whether it will be so scary. We'll find out. Let's go!
You've got a problem for every solution.
Beginning of the road is pretty boring, but it's good. It goes up. It's already pretty hard. That's why we're breathing like hell. But maybe we need some kind of second wind to catch in order to be okay with that. Sabos.
Oh, Mother Nature, she puts you through trials.
So we have to get up, you see. It's just going up and up and up, and it's not too much nature, unfortunately. So let's see what we'll see later.
But your bad day could be your play for a girl in a city with no say. Need to now rethink the way I'm thinking.
We got lost. Yeah, we just lost the track. That's why we have to take this hill, and this is hard. So let's try to get back to the track. So guys, here's the trail, and we got off the trail. Don't repeat our mistakes. But look at this, we came from there, from this valley, which is incredibly hard. So look at the map one more time than you think you need. Cheers guys. It's cold right now. It's really sunny, but it's really freaking cold, guys.
But your bad day could be your play for a girl in a city with no say. Need to now rethink the way I'm thinking.
We're going to get there. Look at this. This. We're almost done, guys. Let's go. Just 10 minutes left. We can do this. This is actually the best part of the journey. I love it. It's so easy here. Look at this.
Even though a faded glow won't burn through all your bars, you put out to put up. Even while your lightning smile was shaking in the smoke.
As we were planning, we finished up at the head of the evil. That was the peak, or the peak's name, but it was too easy. So we go to the second peak, which we saw from the first peak, and the first peak was a bit boring. We reached it in 2 hours, and it was actually so easy that we had a lot of people there. So we decided to go further, and that's what we're doing.
The weather is still nice. Look at this, we have some planes, airplanes, and the view is still amazing. So yeah, sometimes the circumstances change and we have to adapt to it. That's why we were open to continue our journey, because we still have strength and time. All right.
You know how to measure up the risk. You're still not tired of this. Even when the pills you take turn you to a ghost, you still spin around the most. Because I am a member of the butterfly culture, where we work and we take.
It was a nice surprise. We just saw a lot of goats, 3 or 4, they were down there. And that's what happens if you don't go usual trails where a lot of tourists are. There is no nature, or not that much. That's why we used this small trail, and we discovered a lot of animals there. We decided to turn from this trail, which is already kind of wild, to another trail, to this one. And we go to the peak. Can you see it? Yeah, can you see it? We go to the peak there. Okay, come with me.
Come with me if you want to live.
And let's see if we discover something new here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I didn't expect this. I tried to record the way to the peak. I want to take you with me because it's a nice experience and it makes me happy, and happiness feels the best if it is shared. That's why, guys, we make this video. It's not only for us, for our memories, it's also to share it with you and show you that you can do it alone. You just need to make it one step towards hiking, and we are done. Yes, we have done this. And we came from there, you know. We cannot go any further. And actually I wanted to go to the edge, to the last point on this peak. I think this is pretty much it, because down to the left you see the valley, down to the right you see the valley, and actually the way where we came from. And if you look down, it goes really, really deep.
A summit book is a record of mountain visitors for rarely climbed and often difficult to reach peaks. It is usually enclosed in a weatherproof metal canister. Entries in the book vary, from a simple note of a person's name and date of the climb to notes about the events of the climb.
So, this is the end of our journey today, and from now on we will just hitting the road back to our car.
The way back is often boring, so we try to have some fun. We absolutely did not expect to see anything new on the way back to the park, but fortunately we discovered a new small gorge with a beautiful waterfall. It was a really nice surprise and a great end of our unexpectedly cool hike.